It's Harold down at Carl's Bad Smallage, and now as fall starts to come, every year you'll start hearing all the lawnmower shops like ours start preaching about one thing. It's time to winterize your equipment. That's right. Every year you need to winterize your equipment. And one of the things that you need to do to make sure that your equipment stays good and doesn't go bad between now and springtime, and then you have to go back and spend a few $100 to get carburetors replaced and fuel lines replaced and gas pumped out of your different vehicles, your hedger, edger, mower, blower, pump, compressor, generator, and boats and your 2 cycles and just about everything. Is you need to treat your fuel with a fuel stabilizer of some sort. Now, there's lots of different ones out there, and the one that we've used for the most is this one. It's called Seafoam. It's a motor treatment that's actually good in gas and diesel engines, but you know, it does a lot of things. It will stabilize the fuel, it'll clean the carbs, it cleans injectors, it really helps take away those deposits that build up inside your engine, but it also stops those deposits from forming to a point inside your fuel system, and then that's what ends up as that ethanol evaporates and that gas, you know, leaves the minerals and the chemicals that are inside of it, and it draws in, you know, some of the moisture, and you get that calcium buildup on the inside of your carburetor. Just like, where in the heck did all this come from? Well, you know, the ethanol has really caused a lot of problems, and not one of your pieces of equipment probably was designed to have ethanol added gasoline, but a lot of places we live have it. So go down, here's what I want you to do, to your lawnmower shop and buy yourself some Seafoam. But you know what's even easier is if you just click the link. I'm going to put it in the comments.